Windows 365 turns 4 years old this August. Microsoft has been spotlighting Windows 365 heavily. CEO Satya Nadella even mentioned it in previous keynote speeches. Yet, despite all the attention on cloud PCs, Azure Virtual Desktop continues to see steady growth. So, why do some organizations still choose AVD over Windows 365, and how do you decide which one is right for you? Welcome to the Office of the Technologist. I am Rory Monaghan, Senior Technologist at Numecent. While both AVD and Windows 365 are desktop as a service platforms, they differ in some fundamental ways. So let's get into it. With Windows 365 Cloud PCs similar to AVD, you can use custom images. However, you must select your desktop specifications from a limited set of options, kind of an a la carte style. In contrast, AVD gives administrators a wider range of configurations and more granular control over each virtual machine. Windows 365 is managed entirely through Intune. Now, while you can perform certain tasks and manage cloud PCs, you have fewer options for dynamically updating configurations. AVD is managed through Azure Resource Manager, offering extensive tools to elastically scale desktops, power cycle machines, and even swap disks. Windows 365 Cloud PCs are persistent by design. If an update goes wrong, you may have to roll back to a previous restore point, which can be problematic if your organization frequently rotates passwords, which organizations really should be doing. AVD can be configured as non-persistent, offering advantages like simpler rollback and cleaner desktop images. That said, non-persistent desktops introduce management complexity, requiring a strategy to manage and roam user profiles and application settings. Windows 365, on the other hand, does not support Remote App since it relies solely on Intune, and Intune lacks a native package type for AppV, which is still common in many enterprises. Legacy package types such as EXEs and MSIs are commonly deployed with Intune and can be slow to deliver and have a relatively high failure rate. AVD supports app attach, allowing you to bring your existing AppV packages and other package types like Numecent's best-in-class cloud paging application containers to modernize application management with speed and reliability. At first glance, it may seem that AVD's flexibility makes it the clear winner, but Windows 365's design choices are intentional. Windows 365 Cloud PCs are designed to mimic a traditional PC experience, just a PC that happens to be hosted in the cloud. That means a dedicated persistent disk that is patched and updated similarly to your existing physical endpoints. Cloud PCs can be provisioned in just a few clicks, making them an attractive option for admins who aren't experts in virtual desktop technology. Since Windows 365 is managed through Intune, any organization already invested in Intune can manage cloud PCs using the same console and processes they use for their physical devices. There's no need to go build an entirely new infrastructure or attain a new skill set. So how do you decide whether AVD or Windows 365 is best for you? For small to medium-sized businesses, Windows 365 is a strong contender if you have limited IT resources or simply prefer a straightforward approach. You can manage your cloud PCs using existing tools and knowledge, reducing the need for specialized Azure expertise. For those larger enterprises, you might adopt a hybrid approach, using both cloud PCs for certain employees and AVD for others. AVD's level of control and flexibility can be invaluable in complex environments, where non-persistent desktops and advanced configuration options are critical. With AVD's more granular set of controls and non-persistent multi-session offerings, IT teams can optimize for costs in a way that Windows 365 customers cannot. Larger IT teams often have the personnel to handle AVD's more advanced features, making it easier to optimize resources and performance to suit your requirements. Regardless of which platform you choose, it's crucial to modernize how you manage your desktops going forward. Even with persistent desktops, You should consider a stateless mindset. In other words, don't become fully dependent on that persistence. When unexpected incidents occur, like a problematic update, a non-persistent or semi-persistent model makes rolling back much simpler. Look at modern application delivery methods too, whether you're on AVD or Windows 365. Solutions like Numecent's cloud paging can containerize your applications, ensuring compatibility, consistent performance, and easier updates. Numecent Cloud Pager, our container management platform, can transform application updates, making them low risk and helping you eliminate the most common application challenges you face in your organization. When moving to cloud-based desktops, also take the opportunity to enhance the digital employee experience. Introduce more efficient patching, faster application delivery, and a more reliable, consistent desktop for all. Evaluating AVD and Windows 365 doesn't have to be an either-or decision. Evaluate the specific needs of your organization, your IT skill sets, and your overall strategy for managing and delivering applications. If you'd like to learn more about getting the best way to modernize your AVD or Windows 365 and how you manage those desktops, check out our white papers linked with this video. And if you'd like to learn more about App Attach and Azure Virtual Desktop and its new integration options, be sure to check out our webinar with Jim Moyle, Senior Program Manager for Azure Virtual Desktop at Microsoft, which will also be linked with this video. And of course, check out numecent.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.